In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart in Whimsical. Flowcharts are a fantastic way to visualize processes and ideas, and with Whimsical, creating them is both easy and intuitive. Let's walk through this step by step together, starting from the very beginning. First things first, you'll want to go to the Whimsical login page. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Whimsical, or click the link provided in your instructions. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice several options for logging in. The simplest way, if you're already using Google services, is to click on the Log In with Google button. This option is great because it eliminates the need for a separate password and makes the login process quick and easy. After clicking the login button, you'll be directed to a page where you'll see your Google accounts listed, if you have multiple Google accounts like many people do. Make sure to select the account you want to use for Whimsical by clicking on the corresponding account. If prompted, enter your Google account password and authorize Whimsical to access your account. This is simply a security step to ensure that only you can access your Whimsical workspace. Now that you're logged in, we'll move on to finding a template to give us a head start on our flowchart. In the Whimsical dashboard, look for a search bar or a section titled Templates. Go ahead and search for a simple flowchart template. This search will pull up various pre-designed templates that you can use as a foundation for your own flowchart. Once you've found a template you like, click on Use Template. This simple action will open up the template in your workspace, ready for editing. One of the great things about Whimsical is that these templates are highly customizable. You can click on any element in the template to modify it. Change the shapes, colors, and connections to suit your particular needs or design preferences. Finally, with the template ready and open in your workspace, you can now modify this flowchart according to your specific topic or design requirements. Feel free to move elements around, add new ones, or delete what you don't need. Whimsical's intuitive interface makes it easy to tailor the flowchart exactly how you envision. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to create a flowchart in Whimsical. With practice, you'll get even faster at creating these visual aids, making it an invaluable tool in your planning and organizational processes. Don't forget to save your work and explore other features that Whimsical has to offer. Thank you for following along, and happy flowcharting.